Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Vamsi Reddy. Today in this video, I will share my experience how I learned MongoDB and what is a MongoDB, what is the difference between MongoDB and MySQL. Overall, the things I will clear this in this video. Before moving to the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates about this type of technologies and everything. And let's move into that. And what is mean by actually the MongoDB? What is MongoDB is a non-SQL database. So it is a non-SQL database. We can write it. It is also database, but there is no particular structure of queries to write to store the database. Like in SQL, there is a structured like tables. So here also we can collect the collections of information. Like example, um, if you want to enter that employees or student database, like in SQL we need to create a tables and first name, last name, everything. Whereas in MongoDB we have entered the each and everything in the form of collections, that is in the form of documents. That document is written in the form of Johnson file. It is Johnson file means key value pairs. Like in Python we use the dictionary types key value pairs. Like that only we have to create the um, documents in the MongoDB. So how my experience, how I learned what are the resources I have collected and everything, I will share you that. I have followed some of the YouTube channels also to learn the MongoDB. It will take me nearly 13 days to 15 days to learn this overall the theoretical concepts of learning of MongoDB, how the queries is insert, how the data on the document is updated, everything insert from sorted to insert, update, removing, everything I have theoretically and some of the practical implementation also I have learned within the 15 days. And my next step is to improve my skills. So for that I need to access the MongoDB using this programming Python. So we can because I prefer the Python is I learned Python very well. That's why I have moved towards the Python to access that MongoDB. And MongoDB we can use the MongoDB in different languages like Python, Java, Go language, PHP, JavaScript, everything in different languages. We can access the Python MongoDB using these languages. MongoDB is very there is some of the advantages and disadvantages of MongoDB. Whereas the advantages of MongoDB is very speed and flexible to work on that. And whereas the disadvantages of MongoDB, it will take lot of time to, and it will have lot of storage capacity. It need a lot of storage space to access the data. And these are the major advantages and disadvantages. What is the difference between MongoDB and SQL? In SQL, we have collect the data in the form of structured. There is a particular structure in SQL. So once we have created the structure, we can't rechange that structure. Whereas in MongoDB, there is no particular structures of creating. We can easily insert the elements one by one when the process is going on. There is some of the differences. And my these things where when you compare to the SQL and MongoDB is very easy to write the queries, whereas compared to the SQL, because SQL is a huge amount of huge query languages, where SQL and MongoDB is not content like that also. And next, something about that MongoDB is, from my side, I suggest MongoDB is one of the easiest non-SQL database thing which you can easily learn. There is a lot of career opportunities also in this MongoDB. You can access the MongoDB using MongoDB with another languages, like I have recently told you that. And MongoDB can access so many web applications. And now top companies like Google, Infosys, Microsoft, they are using this MongoDB as their database because they can easily access the little amount of data where they can store. These are all about this video. And please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates about any technologies. Okay friends, bye bye, take care.